Over 90% of engine misfires I've diagnosed come from dirty injectors. Did you know clogged injectors can waste 30% more fuel before 50,000 miles? Today, I'll show you 9 ways to clean fuel injectors without removing them. And at the end, I'll share a bonus pro secret I usually never reveal outside the garage. One that can extend injector life by 100,000 miles. Let's go. Method number 9, add fuel system cleaner to the tank. All right, let's start with the most common method, pouring a fuel system cleaner into the tank. Sounds simple, right? But here's where most folks mess it up. They grab the cheapest bottle at the gas station, dump it into a full tank, and expect miracles. Sorry, but it doesn't work like that. Not all cleaners are equal. You want one with polyethyramine, PEA for short. That's the ingredient that actually breaks down carbon and varnish inside your injectors. Products like Chevron Techron, Gumout Regain, or Redline, they've been proven to work. Now here's the trick I've learned. Pay attention to your tank level. If the bottle says treats up to 12 gallons, don't pour it into a full 18-gallon tank. You'll water it down, and it won't clean squat. I usually run the car down to about a quarter tank, add the cleaner, then fill up with fresh gas. That way, the cleaner runs strong through the injectors. And listen, don't think one bottle erases years of neglect. It's maintenance, not magic. I tell my customers to use it every 3,000 to 5,000 miles, about the same time you'd do an oil change. That way, you're constantly scrubbing away little bits of buildup before it turns into a big problem. One more detail people miss. Use a funnel if your filler neck is tight. I've seen more cleaner spilled down paint than I care to count, and that stuff can stain. This is the entry-level way to keep injectors clean. Cheap, easy, effective, if you do it right. But what if you want something that digs deeper into sticky deposits? Well, that's where the next fix comes in. Method number 8. Use detergent-based fuel additives. Your injectors don't just clog with carbon, they get sticky like glue. That sticky varnish comes from fuel sitting in the lines and slowly breaking down. And regular cleaners don't always cut it. That's where detergent-based additives come in. Think of these like dish soap for your fuel system. They're designed to break down gum, varnish, and oily residue that clogs up the injector tips. I've used them plenty of times on cars that sat for months, like Grandma's Buick or a customer's old truck that only left the driveway on Sundays. Those injectors weren't carbon-packed, they were coated with sticky junk. A detergent additive cleared them up when nothing else worked. Here's the part most drivers overlook. You've got to run more than one tank. These detergents work slowly, not overnight. One bottle isn't going to fix years of sticky buildup. I usually tell folks to run it for 2 or 3 tanks back to back. That gives the additive time to loosen deposits and carry them out. Some mechanics, myself included, will even mix a detergent additive with a PEA cleaner when the injectors are stubborn. The PEA breaks down carbon, the detergent washes away varnish, and together, they pack a bigger punch. Now, a small warning. Don't just keep dumping every additive you find into your tank. Too much chemical cocktail can mess with seals and sensors. Stick to trusted brands, follow the instructions, and give the car time to show improvement. Detergents are great for sticky injectors, but what if the problem goes deeper into the fuel itself? That's when the next method comes into play. Method number 7. Try ethanol treatment additives. Ethanol is both a friend and an enemy to your fuel injectors. Let me explain. Most gas today has up to 10% ethanol mixed in. That little bit helps keep injectors clean because ethanol acts like a mild solvent. But here's the downside. It also pulls moisture from the air. And when water collects in your tank, it can separate from the fuel, cause corrosion, and make your car run rough. That's where ethanol treatment additives come in. These products stabilize the fuel, fight off water buildup, and keep injectors from gumming up. I've used them countless times on cars that sit for long periods. boats, motorcycles, lawn equipment, even classic cars. Without treatment, those injectors would clog solid after a winter in storage. With treatment, they fire up like they were run yesterday. Here's a detail most people miss. You can't just dump this in once a year and expect miracles. If you're driving a modern daily driver, use it every few tanks, especially if you buy fuel from off-brand stations. And if you're storing a vehicle, add it before you park it, then run the engine for a few minutes so treated fuel reaches the injectors. A good ethanol treatment does more than protect injectors. It also prevents hard starts, poor idle, and even protects the fuel pump from wear. I've seen pumps corrode and fail early just because water sat in untreated fuel, but chemicals can only do so much. Sometimes your engine needs a good old-fashioned workout, and that's where the next method gets interesting. By the way, if you're finding these tips helpful so far, hit that like button. It really helps the channel out. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the rest of these injector-saving methods. Now, let's move on to the next one. Method number 6, regular highway driving. Sometimes the best cleaner isn't in a bottle, it's in your right foot. That's right, one of the oldest tricks in the book for dirty injectors is what we call an Italian tune-up. Here's the problem. Too many cars today live soft lives. Short trips to the grocery store, stop-and-go traffic, idling in the driveway. The engine never gets hot enough, and carbon starts building up on the injectors, valves, and even the catalytic converter. Over time, that buildup chokes the engine. The Italian tune-up fixes that. You take the car on a long highway drive, 20 to 30 minutes at least. Drop it into a lower gear, let the RPMs climb higher than usual, and keep them there. What you're doing is heating up the combustion chamber so hot that carbon deposits literally burn away. I've seen engines that stumbled and misfired smooth right out after one good run. Now, let me be clear. I'm not telling you to redline your car and drive like a maniac. What I mean is controlled high RPM driving. Keep it in third gear on the highway if it's an automatic, or run it out in a lower gear if it's a manual. The idea is steady, higher revs, not constant flooring of the gas pedal. Here's one more tip most people miss. Do this only when your engine is in good health. If your oil's old or your cooling system is weak, don't stress it with high RPMs. Get the basics right first. An Italian tune-up is free, simple, and incredibly effective. But what if you want to add some chemical muscle while the engine's running? That's where the next method comes into play. Method number 5, throttle body and air intake cleaner spray. Here's where we stop pouring stuff in the tank and actually get our hands dirty. A throttle body and air intake cleaner spray can make a world of difference. Not just for your injectors, but for your whole air fuel system. Over time, carbon builds up on the throttle plate, intake valves, and even inside the manifold. That sticky black gunk makes the engine stumble, idle rough, and rob power. Spraying cleaner directly into the intake helps dissolve those deposits while the engine is running. Here's how I do it, step by step. Find your throttle body. Follow the air intake hose from your air filter box. Right where it meets the engine, that's your throttle body. Loosen the clamp and pull the hose back so you have access to the throttle opening. Start the engine. Have someone in the driver's seat keeping the RPMs up around 1,500 to 2,000 so it doesn't stall. Spray in short bursts. Aim the cleaner directly into the throttle body. Don't drown it, just little sprays while the engine sucks it in. Work in intervals. Spray for a few seconds, let the engine recover, then repeat until the can is about halfway done. Reassemble. Once you're done, reattach the intake hose and tighten the clamp. Safety tips. This stuff is flammable, so don't smoke around it. Keep a rag nearby to catch drips, and always do it in a well-ventilated area. What you'll notice afterward is smoother idle, better throttle response, and cleaner airflow through the system. And yes, some of that cleaner makes it to your injectors, helping them too. But while sprays are powerful, there's still a DIY solution. What if you want shop-level cleaning without pulling anything apart? That's exactly what the next method delivers. Oh, and if you're curious about which injector cleaners actually work and which ones are a total waste of money, I made a full video on that. Click the link up here to watch. Never use these 8 fuel injector cleaners. Trust me, it'll save you cash and headaches. Method number 4. Fuel System Cleaner Kit. Now we're stepping into professional territory. This is no pour-in-the-tank cleaner. A pressurized fuel system cleaning kit feeds strong cleaner straight through the fuel rail, bypassing the gas tank entirely. It's one of the most effective ways to clean injectors without pulling them out. I've used these kits countless times in the shop, and when done right, they work wonders. But listen carefully. This method isn't for beginners. You're dealing with pressurized fuel lines, and if you're careless, you can hurt yourself or start a fire. Here's the process. Relieve fuel pressure, pop the fuel pump relay or fuse, and crank the engine until it dies. That removes pressure from the line. Hook up the canister. The kit comes with adapters to connect directly to the fuel rail's Schrader valve or service port. Make sure it's tight. No leaks allowed. Fill the canister with cleaner. Use the solution that comes with the kit. It's much stronger than bottled additives. Pressurize the canister. Most kits use shop air to bring pressure up to match your fuel system, usually 40 to 60 psi. Start the engine. The motor now runs entirely off the cleaner, not gasoline. Let it idle until the canister is empty. That forces the chemical through every injector, scrubbing them inside and out. Reconnect everything. Remove the kit, reinstall the fuel pump relay or fuse, and restart the engine with normal fuel. The result? Injectors spraying evenly again, smoother idle, better acceleration, and more power. But here's the truth. If that sounds intimidating, you're not alone. That's why most folks leave this next step to the pros. Method number 3. Professional on-car cleaning service. Sometimes the smartest move is to let the pros handle it. A professional on-car injector cleaning service uses specialized machines and chemicals that you just can't buy at the parts store. I've run hundreds of these services in the shop, and the results are night and day when injectors are dirty but not completely dead. Here's how it works. The shop hooks your car up to a professional-grade cleaning system. It bypasses the gas tank, just like the DIY canister kit I mentioned earlier, but with stronger detergents and more precise equipment. The machine runs the engine entirely on the cleaner for 20 to 30 minutes, flushing carbon, varnish, and deposits out of the injectors. What you notice afterward is immediate: smoother idle, sharper throttle response, and often better gas mileage. I've had customers come back a week later saying it felt like they were driving a new car. Now, here's the truth. This isn't cheap. Depending on where you go, it can run $100 to $200. But compared to replacing injectors, which can cost $600, $800, or even over $1,000, it's money well spent. And one thing you need to know, this won't save injectors that are completely clogged or failing electrically. If the injector can't open, no chemical in the world will fix it. In that case, replacement is the only cure. But for dirty, sticky, or uneven spray patterns, this service often brings them right back to life. So, if you don't feel comfortable messing with fuel rails and pressurized canisters, this is your safe, effective alternative. But what if you want to stop injectors from ever getting that dirty in the first place? That's where the next step makes all the difference. Method number 2. Use top-tier gas with built-in detergents. Here's a secret most drivers ignore. Cheap gas will cost you more in the long run. Sure, you might save a couple bucks at the pump, but what you're really buying is fuel that barely meets minimum government standards. That means fewer detergents, more deposits, and dirty injectors. Now, top-tier gas. That's a whole different story. Stations like Chevron, Shell, Mobile, and Costco participate in the top-tier program. Their fuel has extra detergents blended in, and those detergents are proven to keep injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers clean. AAA even tested this and found top-tier gas left engines 19 times cleaner than regular bargain fuel. I've seen it firsthand. Cars that run on discount fuel at 80,000 miles, their injectors are already spraying uneven and the valves are caked in carbon. Cars that stick with top-tier gas at 150,000 miles, injectors look almost new. That's not luck, that's chemistry. Here's something most folks don't realize. You don't always have to pay premium for top-tier benefits. Regular grade fuel at these stations still has the detergent package. So, unless your car specifically requires premium, stick with regular from a top-tier station and save money while keeping your injectors clean. And here's a little pro tip. If you have no choice but to buy off-brand gas once in a while, follow up with a bottle of pea-based cleaner on the next fill-up. That way, you balance out what that cheap fuel leaves behind. The truth is, fuel quality matters more than most people think. Choosing top tier is the easiest long-term injector cleaner out there. But if your injectors are already loaded with carbon, there's still one last method that beats everything else without pulling them out. Method number 1. Carbon clearing machine service. If you want the most powerful and thorough cleaning method without removing your injectors, nothing beats a carbon clearing machine service. This is the gold standard in injector cleaning, used by dealerships and high-end auto shops to restore engines to like-new condition. Here's how it works. A specialized machine is hooked directly to your vehicle's fuel rail, replacing the regular fuel supply with a strong, professional-grade cleaning solution. While your engine runs, this solution flows through the injectors, dissolving carbon, varnish, and stubborn deposits that normal fuel additives can't touch. Unlike DIY cleaners, this process cleans not only the injectors, but also the intake valves, combustion chambers, and fuel lines, leaving the entire system spotless. The result? Sharper throttle response, smoother idling, better fuel economy, and maximum injector lifespan. In many cases, performance is restored so dramatically that it feels like you've done a mini engine rebuild without ever opening it up. Professional shops recommend this service every 30,000 to 50,000 miles, depending on driving conditions. While it costs more than DIY methods, anywhere from $100 to $200, the benefits easily outweigh the price, especially if your car is showing symptoms of clogged injectors like rough idle, poor acceleration, or hard starts. If you want peace of mind and factory-fresh performance without pulling out injectors, the carbon clearing machine service is the #1 choice. It's the closest you can get to brand new injectors without the expense of replacement. Now that you know how to clean fuel injectors without removing them, the next step is recognizing early trouble. Watch our video on the signs and symptoms of a bad and clogged fuel injector to protect your engine.